Section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provides permanent alimony or maintenance, and under subsection 1 of section 25, maintenance must be provided the time of passing any decree or any type subsequent thereto, and this very provision is available both to wife and to the husband, and it amounts is a gross sum, or maybe monthly, or maybe periodical sum, only on the basis of income of the respondent and on the property of the respondent. This relief is available only when a decree is passed in favor of the petitioner under section 9 to section 13. Permanent alimony is available in all circumstances like void and voidable marriages, even on the grounds of misconduct and adultery, even on the ground of unchastity, etc., as it was held in the leading case Gulab versus Kamal in 1985 by the Delhi High Court, so also in the leading case Santaram versus Dagu Devi in 1987 by the Bombay High Court, while subsection 2 provides that under changed circumstances the court can modify and vary the amount of maintenance. The principle of res judicata or of estoppel are inapplicable under this provision of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, as well subsection 3 of section 25 provides permanent maintenance comes to an end in the following circumstances. First one, if either party has remarried, or secondly, if wife ceases to remain chaste and where husband develops illicit relations with another woman, and as it was held in the leading case Ram Shankar Rastogi versus Srimati Binaya in 1991 by the Allahabad High Court. And now we'll discuss regarding section 26, which provides custody of children. So it includes custody, maintenance, and education of minor children consistently with their wishes. Order under this section can be changed from time to time. The order also can be revoked and suspended. So it covers both legitimate and illegitimate children of the spouses. Father got primacy over mother with respect to custody of those children out of that marriage which was dissolved under section 13 or section 13(1) or section 13(1)(a), 13(b), or section 13(2). But mother, in case of children below 5 years of age, would get preference regarding custody of those children out of that marriage. Above all, benefit, well being, and welfare of the child is the paramount consideration as under the provisions of section 26 regarding custody of children as it was decided in the leading case Kartar Chand versus Srimati Taravati in 1982 by the Bombay High Court. So, in this video, almost we have discussed regarding section 25, which deals with permanent alimony under subsection 1, subsection 2, and the provisions of subsection 3. So also with all important leading cases and section 26 which deals with custody of children out of that marriage which is dissolved under the various provisions of Hindu Marriage Act 1955.